Hello everybody, welcome back to Greek and Simple. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here together we're making Greek recipes and not only. So if you like Greek cuisine, subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, like and comment down below. I'll be so happy to reply to all of your comments. Today I want to introduce you to my favorite Greek breakfast, and that's nothing else than my favorite Greek omelette with some zucchini, fresh green onions, cherry tomatoes and feta cheese, or you can add cottage cheese or your favorite cheese. First thing I'm gonna do is to shred my zucchini that it was not feeling very well in the fridge, so I decided to use it today. And I cut the edges, wash it, and now I'm gonna shred it on my shredder. After cutting zucchini, we're gonna slice some fresh onion. I'm gonna prepare my cherry tomatoes. And now eggs. I'm using 3 eggs, so it's gonna be really juicy. Now I'm gonna add some olive oil in my skillet. After adding my zucchini and green onions, I'm gonna let them roast a little, so they're going to lose all their juices. When you see like a little corners that they're getting like golden, it's the time to add the eggs. I'm going to add some salt and some fresh pepper, some dried oregano that I have here, perfect. It smells delicious. I think it's time to serve this beauty. And how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna move this side to the center like this and try to fold it from both sides. Like this. Yay! that was it for today. And 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 that was it for today. Thank you for watching me today, guys. I hope you're gonna make it at home. And that was it for today's guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you're gonna make it at home. And that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching Greek and Simple. Thank you so much for sharing this recipe. Thank you so much for making it and sharing it on Instagram with hashtag Greek and Simple. Yes, I know you're gonna love it like I do. So many kisses and see you on the next recipe.